is 6 greater than the width?
Okay. Let's start with the formula for perimeter of a rectangle.
Isn't it like
Perimeter. It's length
isn't
times
it
width.
length times the width?
No, it's
area.
It's length times length plus length plus length plus length.
That's the truth, because perimeter is when you walk all the way around.
length plus length plus length plus length.
Smart.
No, it's 2x times 2y.
Yeah. That's better. So let's call this the length, the width, the length, the width. Wondered if I wrote that backwards. So the perimeter would be length plus width plus length plus width, like walking all the way around. So the official formula for perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So that's the kind of thing that you're provided on the SAT. They'll tell you that, and then they'll give you a problem like this. So the perimeter is 48. So we have this. Everybody agree that we have that. That's what the perimeter is for the 48 and for P.
Oh no.
Can anybody write a second equation? So far that's just the first bit of data. The second bit, the length is 6 inches greater than the width. Can anybody write that? There it is. Length is 6 more than width. I like more than better than greater than, because people read greater than and they think they need this, but you don't here. Okay, so here's where the application comes into play. This is a system. You should be able to either graph, eliminate, or substitute.
Oh, they said my name.
So does anybody feel passionately about graphing, eliminating, or substituting?
That's terrible.
I feel really good.
No, anybody pick one of those out of the 3?
That's terrible.
There's one that works the best.
I like
So,
the exchanging.
for elimination, we would want these to be stacked up and down so that we could put a plus sign and add down. And it's not lined up. W's are lined up. We could reorder it and do elimination. You can. But I prefer to substitute here. So my substitution, if I know what length is, I have an equation that tells me what length is. I'm going to take the L out of this top problem, and I'm going to substitute in what L is.
Okay.
And that is just all the hints I'm going to give you. You can solve it from here. That's all the info I want to provide.
That's all.
You got it?
It's kind of easy.
Yeah, because it's not physical. I mean, that's really value.
Yeah, you didn't distribute it to them. You didn't write down. Let's see how far Tony got on his paper.
I forgot the two.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done.
So is it 16
Let me just go from here.
or 16? I'm getting 16.
Okay, so we got 48 equals. I keep the 2. I use parentheses plus sign 2w. If you did that, great job. You plugged in correctly. Your substitute was good. Now you have to distribute. It's not just 2 times the 6, it's also 2 times the w. So that's 48 equals 12 plus 2w plus 2w. 48 is 12 plus 4w. Put your little line in and start to get w alone. 36 is 4w. Divide. The width of the rectangle is 9. Let's answer in a complete
Oh, I
sentence.
already got that.
Did you find the length, Patrick?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
15.
The length of the rectangle is 9 inches. So if we put a 9 in here, it tells us the length is 15. The length is 6 plus 9, 15 inches. Should we do one more?
Yes. Yeah, second thoughts are coming. I just had
Who's that, Patrick?
They're more like scammers. When I
Why
get
would
that
you
sugar,
accept
because
it in the first place?
I always look and see. Sometimes it's not one.
Geometry problem too.
Look at all of them. Just
Have you guys know how to work with angles?
this one, definitely.
What is a 36-degree angle? Is that Patrick?
What? What?
What do you call 36-degree angle?
I don't know.
That's gay.
Libby's just like, that's gay. No, we should braid my hair.
I'm not very good.
We're good. Okay, one sec. I'm gonna go braid my hair.
Did you guys know that 2 angles that add up to 180 are called supplementary?
Yes, actually I did. Learn that in elementary school.
And if they add up to 90, what are they called?
Right.
2 angles that add up to 90 are called complementary.
Oh, yeah.
You might not have learned that. You might not have learned that. You'll learn that next year. Yeah, you might. It might be in like the 4th grade curriculum. Those vocabulary words. But you'll learn it again next year.
I remember learning that stuff in elementary school.
All right, how do we write the sum of x and y is 180? Okay, we got that down. Got it. That's That's our first equation. Now, the measure of x is 24 greater than the measure of y. Go ahead, write that down on your paper. Did you just come up with the numbers or did you solve the system? You did the system? Very good. Very good. X is 24 more than y.
I did get that right.
So I want you to do a substitution. So since we know what x is,
Got the answer.
I'm going to take this out. And I'm going to put all of this in.
Oh shit, I was right. Oh, let's do that.
102.
Smart, dude.
Can you draw this? So which one's obtuse, x or y? Obtuse means
Obtuse
greater
means
than 90.
that.
Greater than 90.
Yeah.
So here's our 180. X and y are on here. I would say that x has to be, if this is 90, x is like, boom. 102x, and then this one's a little guy, y at 78. Thank you. Well, I put it in my answers. I'm not talking about Boba Fett. I kind of do want to run in here though. All right, guys. So anyway, substitution and elimination, they can be presented in lots of different ways. Here you've seen two geometry applications. So open your textbooks to page 379, and let's keep working on that assignment from yesterday. I think we only got 3 done in class or something.
I wonder what I even did. I started, I just don't know it.
I work better with the hard.
Well, I gotta restart. What the fuck? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I ever tell you about
Holy shit.
I ever tell you what? He was sitting right behind, right?
I felt like you.
I'm gay.
What about
And then I moved across the room. He follows me over there.
All I saw was
And
the
they said,
camera.
He goes, yeah. In my ear. And then I shot out again. And then he screamed. She didn't care. No, because I told her what he said. She just, I thought she was just looking at
I don't think we finished 15 in class
but he
yesterday.
actually had a reason.
Right? It says that the sum of two numbers is 14 and the difference of two numbers is 4. So if I recall yesterday I said that you could add down and use the elimination method. Now the directions say to graph. So to graph these you would rearrange them both and graph them. And that's the answer to 15 now. I'm just going to walk around and see what number y'all are on so I know that I don't start working ahead of you.
My paper.
So raise your hand if you were absent yesterday. Okay, so you guys, this assignment's written on the board by Monday. So it's due tomorrow. So it's like a 2-day assignment. And there's a test tomorrow on this stuff.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, like Wednesday just creeped right up on us. Like the fog outside.
I'm glad it's almost Wednesday. I'm glad it's almost.
Alright, so I see somebody on 16. Multiple people on 16.
Whoa! Tyler's fun.
Why should I go to Russia? My parents been in Ukraine.
No, you already know there's something wrong.
He's fine. Well, there's also hundreds more.
Let me check if 24 is a fraction. Alright, it appears that lots of you are beyond me, and I'm happy about that. 24 has a fraction in it. Yes. 33 is not. 33 is not. 24 does. Okay, I'm gonna head to number 16.
What page is this again?
16, I don't want to sit here too long, and then I'm gonna go to 17.
I'll put it, I'm gonna look at it. I wanna change the not color, what? Pattern there. Just like paint.
sake of consistency, I'm gonna start fresh right now on 17. So if you need to skip to 17 to work them out with me, go ahead. Write this problem down and try to solve number 17. That's where I'm gonna start doing the work.
This one page is it on?
379.
It's not even that good though. YouTube is so like more selection. But you guys use it? I do have my phone premium review. Want to give me Apple Music?
So Patrick, what do you think about this 17 I just wrote down?
Oh, I'm redoing all my songs right now.
You wanna start with 17?
I don't care. But
It's due tomorrow. If you're at your house, I'll redo them.
I gotta redo all of them. Because I lost my paper.
Whatever. Alright, okay, so you tell me already.
I just said 16.
Here we go. I'm told here what y is, so I'm going to take the y out and I'm going to put this in. Alright, anybody have a question about that? How'd it go? Did I go too quick?
Yeah.
This is solid too. Oh, that guy. That's a way better too. Almost looks like a cursive something.
L. Two capital L.
Where'd you get 14x?
No, I got a -14 and a -28.
That literally looks exactly like it. Two. Remember, you see it?
Oh, okay.
Wait, this Baldwin. I don't get it. Where'd you get 14x?
Isn't x minus 15?
No.
1 minus 15 -14.
Oh.
Are you with me there? Like I put a 1
Oh,
here.
x minus 15x. Okay, I see it now.
They're like terms.
I see it.
1 take away 15 -14. Okay. So I'm hearing some of you are bored with this too now, so I'll finish the problem. Doesn't it seem like it'd be easier to plug it into the bottom equation?
You really would, yeah.
Okay, if you guys are fine with that, I would rather do the bottom. I'm gonna plug it into the bottom this time for the shorter equation.
I'll do bottom. Because there isn't another step.
It's just so much shorter.
Oh, okay.
Really?
The right, wait, did I move away from 16 to 5? Feel free to take a picture. I'm also posting a recording. If I'm ahead of you and you want to go back at home and look at the work, you can.
This is an 840 sign.
We better keep working. We're not talking about it.
Wait, that's what I said.
Okay, my bad. Just want to
Chill out.
Okay, who's supposed to do that?
Stop.
Yeah, 16 through 20. Here I go, number 18. Write it down and try it. plug in correctly. You don't have to do 11.
Oh, okay.
These ones are supposed to like add down.
Yes, elimination. Add down. Elimination means add down. How about you? You got it? Yes, yeah. Plug in correctly. Very good.
Good job, Tom.
Well,
I'm on phone too.
okay.
Which one are you on?
Okay.
I
This is called elimination. Okay. This problem, the way you did it, is gonna work out perfectly.
You said 24 cents.
Okay. So this shows me you know how to do this. That's really good. So that's gonna be 2x and these are gonna cancel and 18. Okay, so you're ready for these. Watch what I do on this one. It's just a different method that maybe you didn't quite understand. So that one added down is called elimination. This one's called substitution. So this is only if directions say the words substitution. This down here says what x is. X is 3y minus 2. So what you do is you circle the x. Sometimes you circle the y depending on how it looks. If it's y equals, you circle the y. If it's x equals, you circle the x. You take it out. And you put all of this in. Okay, as I walked around, I saw a lot of you guys did that correctly. Now we have to solve this multi-step equation. We have to distribute. And then, what do we do next? I'd like to combine like terms. I'd like to add the 9y and the 2y to make 11y. We got one answer. We got 11 is, I'm sorry. We got y is 2. Thumbs up if you got y is 2 on 18. Okay, alright, I'm gonna go a little more. Or did you get x equals 4 though?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, good job guys. Alright, 19 and 20. We're gonna do that 2 more times. 2 more substitutions. So every problem presents a little bit differently. This one tells me what y equals. Y is negative 3x. Since this is a y, I'm circling this y and taking it out, and I'm putting this in. A lot of students are going to make mistakes on the signs here, I bet. You're out. And you, my friend, get to go in. So I have an x, I have a minus sign, and then I have a negative 3x. And then you make it a plus. So that's tricky. That's a stopper. Oh, I messed up my number though. Okay. Last substitution problem before we move on to adding down. No, I thought you were gonna check. You have to check it. A lot of people worked on this yesterday and finished, and it's a great strategy so you can check it and ask questions. It makes it kind of a strategy so that you can get it done in this course and then you're looking at like 100
Still got like
lost control of the tablet.
You guys just finished my team? I'm good at this stuff.
Going good so far. I bet some students struggle with making that 11.
Make like egg peoples, and I didn't realize that was already why. There's something
Alright, well, what number are you on?
32.
Oh my gosh. I forgot.
Good job, Will.
What about Mikhail? Mikhail, where are you with me, Mikhail? Where are you at? Okay. Okay, check it in. Do you want me to go back at all?
No.
You good? Okay. Yeah, you can get the same answer plugging into either one. Yeah, so you didn't make a mistake. Lauren, what number are you on?
I need another paper.
Okay, after 20, we jump to number 23. Patrick, where are you at?
20. Just got done with 20.
All right, you're caught up.
I know, shut up. It's messy here today.
No, it's just like you're a 6th grade boy here.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Alright, these directions are different. This begins a new topic. This one's called elimination. So happy to be on elimination now. I'm happy my tablet is whatever. Should review.
Oh, wait, it's the adding down. Is it? Yeah, I'm on 20. You're on 23? I'm done with Alpha.
So, Alyssa, you're with me on 23, Alyssa?
Why?
Yeah. Okay, so now we get to add down. 2x, the y's cancel, equals 18. Elimination. Oh, I probably should remove that. Elimination means add down.
23 is next page. I think it's the add down thing. This is the x plus y. What's your business to write about?
Dominic, I think you're at risk of being left behind. Jake, you're behind. Still in an at-risk situation. No, you finished? What are you doing? Okay.
Oh, okay.
You're going. Straight again, then. Straight again. New topic, add down. This is where you said you were living
27.
Oh, yeah, what number are you on? Okay, let's do it. Add down. I'm gonna eliminate. Those are opposites. They eliminate. 7y is 35. Divided by 7. Y is 5. Yeah. Don't stop.
What's with this one?
I guess.
I don't know. I just said that out loud. Big touch.
Dang, someone could have told me that we didn't have to do 27.
What? So you did 26 too, Olivia?
Well, yeah, I guess.
Patrick, you're confused about 24?
Yeah. So x would just be 1, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, no.
I think it's a fraction, guys. This is one of the only fraction answers. You can't have fractions. We just protect you from them in this section.
You're right.
There's no protection from fractions in Algebra 2. Full on fractions in every answer. Alright, so this answer is negative 1/3, 5. 1 divided by negative 3. I'm just going to write that as negative 1/3.
I'm very mad.
I think we like hitting a little low there, Jake.
Constructive motivation.
Jake, tell me, how do I do 25?
25.
Yeah, let her know.
Yeah, you multiply -1 by
Well,
either
it's a
side.
good thing you did Dominic here.
No, I wouldn't do that. I was thinking about it. And then I realized that it was columns. Okay, so you multiply by 1. I'm gonna say the top. And you cancel out the x's.
Since there aren't opposites in this problem, we're going to make them. We can multiply the whole top equation by -1, and that'll create opposites. Does anybody need me to scroll out so you can see 24? Now you can add down. I'll give you a second to try.
Like,
Oh, I have a mistake here.
Yeah.
That's a positive part. Just do it all over again.
Oh, okay.
Well,
4 plus -16. That's -12.
we only have one.
Yep, so come on now, bro.
You guys, this is a pretty big test tomorrow. Please feel free to come in after school today. You can't come Wednesday, you can't come Thursday, so come by after school to work on some more of these.
Yes, Miss Wallen! Woo!
To be honest, you're
Okay. Go for it.
How do you do that? It never works. But like on my other phone, it works. Press the add yours, it works. Yeah. You have to do that. You can like the following one.
It says
Find a good ocean fact. A lot more on Graham. I mean, Snap.
Bro was watching Emperor's New Groove.
Alright, come on, we're all. Come on.
See you after school, everybody.
I'm just wondering, we'll see after school if I got a game, but I'll see you in the future.
Good luck with your game.